In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calls, notes, and emails in HubSpot. Whether you're connecting with customers on calls or keeping track of important communications with notes and emails, HubSpot's versatile platform makes these tasks simple. Let's get started by learning how you can efficiently manage these activities in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're there, you'll find the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that to enter your login credentials. This will take you to your HubSpot home, which is essentially your dashboard, designed to give you a comprehensive view of all your activities and tools at a glance. Now, once you're settled in your home page, your next move is to access the CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's the powerhouse of your HubSpot account where you manage all your interactions and data collection across the customer lifecycle. From your home dashboard, click on the CRM icon. This action will open a new section featuring several options. Within the CRM section, you'll want to focus on the Contacts tab. Clicking on Contacts will allow you to browse through a list of all the people you're connected with in HubSpot. Each contact profile stores all the interaction history, making it the ideal place to keep your notes, calls, and emails tied to individual clients or colleagues. After selecting the Contacts tab, you'll see a comprehensive list of your existing contacts. Choose one contact you'd like to update or interact with further. Clicking on a contact will open up detailed information about them along with their engagement history. This step is crucial as any activities like notes, calls, or emails will be associated with this particular contact. Now that you have a contact open, locate the Activities section. This area is designed to log and manage different activities associated with your chosen contact. Click on Activities, and you'll see a dedicated section for keeping track of ongoing interactions. Next up, let's chat about how you can add notes. Click on the Notes tab located within the Activities section. Here you'll be able to enter any important details, reminders, or highlights of your interactions with this contact. Notes are fantastic for logging ideas or future conversation points that you can revisit whenever needed. Similarly, for calls, you're just a click away. Navigate to the Calls section. You'll find options to log a call, schedule one, or even make a call directly through HubSpot if you have that feature enabled. The cool thing here is you can enter details about the call duration, outcome, and any key takeaways directly within this section. Lastly, let's dive into emails. By clicking on the Emails tab, you can compose and send emails directly from HubSpot, ensuring all communications are logged and easily accessible alongside your other activities with that contact. These steps wrap up how you can manage your calls, notes, and emails efficiently within HubSpot. Keeping all your information organized using these features helps ensure that every interaction is trackable and every strategic decision is based on well-documented data. Thanks for watching and happy HubSpotting.